Nested if statements in Python extend the concept of the if statement and allow for testing multiple conditions. For our two examples today, we'll revisit some good old grade school math. Numbers are considered either positive, negative, or zero, so let's write some code that tests that. Num equals 0. If num greater than or equal to 0, meaning it is either positive or 0, then we will nest another if statement. If num equals 0, then we'll print 0. Else print positive. One level back out, else print negative. So if we run this code, we'll see num is 0. For our next example, we'll categorize 3 different types of triangles. If all 3 sides are equal, that is an equilateral triangle. If only 2 sides are equal, that is an isosceles triangle. Last, no equal side means a scalene triangle. For the code, we'll start with tri equal sides equals 2. If tri equal sides greater than or equal to 2, then we'll nest. If tri equal sides equals 2, then we'll print isos. Else, meaning the triangle has 3 equal sides, we'll print equal. One level back out, else print scale. So if we run this code, we'll see the given triangle is isosceles because it has 2 equal sides. This has been Jacubication. Like and subscribe to learn more.